900 points in 2 days. Oh my God. Oh, I don't even got my screen up, man. So what's up? This is Dre. Dre Trades. What is going on? Because I am live and I got problems here. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Sorry, this is what happens when you're live, man. All right, so yeah, market's up just crazy, and yeah, I lost money, man. I was on here yesterday talking about how I just got, I was too short. I didn't realize how short I was, but when I think back at it, I'm not. Yeah, I was too short. Bottom line, but I didn't think I was that because you just don't expect the market to rip like not 500 points. And then I sold most of those positions because I reached max pain, and then I had a few on, and I was like, well, let's see. It's tomorrow. Maybe we get a slight dip, open flat, boom, up 400 points, and max pain again today. So lessons learned. And then I started getting cute. I started getting cute with the with some positions, and this is what I got to learn. Excuse me, I got to do my make sure. Okay, yeah, started getting cute. I had some vertical Amazons on, right? I had call spreads, and I wanted it opened down. So I wanted to. I bought back the short call, right? You want to close these things out together, right? You want to keep them married. So I tried to close out the short one, and I'm at work, and so I can't really see the charts, and I'm just kind of guessing on, yeah, all right, let me down, let me close out the short now. So no sooner than I do that, if you come right here, I'm looking at Amazon right now, and no sooner than I did it somewhere right in this area, right? Let me pull up the 1 minute. Let's pull up the 1 minute so you can see a little better. I did it somewhere right in this area. And then, boom, I blinked, turned around, market was down another 10 points. I was just like, oh. So I closed out the long leg. Stupid mistake. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you just try to be a hero. A lot of times actually works for me. I think that's why I went ahead and did it. If it's down so much, I just go ahead and sell the short and then ride the long up when it snaps back. But it just kept going down. I thought it would go up because the market was up strong. It had, it opened. I don't even know. Because I was on the phone and, I just couldn't pay attention. I didn't pull up one chart, just going by the feel, looking at stock quotes. I had no idea what was going on. And then just looking at this chart now, man, this thing is so frustrating. It was just up 260. I thought it was going to kind of close at the high and just boom. This is just like the beginning here. Just boom, bottom fell out. Oh, man. So how you guys do, man? I usually write in the comments like, "Hey, put down your trades. Y'all got a little chat box down there. If it's working, tell me what's up." So I messed around with a little Tesla. I made good money, but I don't know if it's gonna hold on because I sold the calls. I sold the put spread. I bought a put spread, and it went down 50. As soon as I bought it, it went down 50 points. I'm just looking at the Dow, by the way. Here's the markets up 490. Let me refresh that. Unbelievable rally. Just unbelievable. Let me tell you something. It caught everybody off surprise. Nobody knew this was coming. It's just crazy. A lot of people's offsides. That's why it's up this hard. A lot of people was offsides, I think, especially after that 600 point sell off on Friday. And then you got the Tesla run up. I think people's offside on that. I mean, it's just insane. So I done lost my concentration. Cashmatic, what's up, man? You said the market's ignoring. I got to think of that beer. Coronavirus. And yeah, they ignoring everything. Everything. It's not even that the sickness. It's the closure. China's like shut down. And just there's no way, man. This is a world economy. That's gonna affect us. That's gonna affect these companies. And now you bring along the virus. Who's gonna get? It's so much uncertainty out there, and we going to new highs. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. You said a pullback coming tomorrow. I don't know. We're closing pretty strong right now. I mean, it might be up another 3. I actually think this is blow off. I don't really know what blow off is. I kind of know what it's kind of like, and I remember '99, and I guess 2008 was a kind of a little one. Not like '99 though. This really reminds me of 2000, that era, because every day you woke up, the stocks was up 200-300 points. Tesla is starting to break. You know, maybe this is the beginning of the break. What is this? Look at that candle on the Dow. That's the weekly, and we got 2 more days to go. By looking at that candle, we got some ways to go. Look at this candle right here. It's similar, right? Kind of the same dip up, and look how far we went up there, you know? So that was 10% right there. So let's see if we go to the bottom. If we go, you never know. You just never know. You had said we going 40% down. Yeah, sometime. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow. Too big to fail. They keep injecting. Yeah, I want to see. And that's what they just addicted to. It doesn't matter who's ejected. And I think there might be more injections around the world. I was going to say including us, but I don't know. It just depends. Look at gold. Gold is up today. You see? I mean, yeah, it's up. Yeah, it's up 15 cents. TLT is down 1.12 and kind of heading down. Look at the gaps down. It's doing the opposite. So that's a good thing. When them yields started lowering again, that's when I was like, oh yeah, it's here, man. We getting the reset. It's coming, but it's starting to fade away again. But I still think it's coming. It's coming. A lot of earnings are bad, you know, and they just looking at a few stocks like Amazon and what was another one? Was it Facebook? No, Facebook was bad. One of them stocks, I can't remember. A few stocks, and yeah, a lot of them is bad. And then industrials are just running. Look at this, up 1.62%. I mean, look at it, it's a new high. Nobody's digging holes. I mean, shouldn't they be down? Shouldn't industrials be down? You know, new high for industrial. Look at oil. I mean, you know, this is going to equal layoffs. So I don't get it. I really don't. I really think look at that, man. I think it's serious manipulation going on right now. And notice that these gaps up. I'm gonna talk here a little bit. Can I take off the charts and just be just me? The gap ups. Ever since midsummer, almost even since, I was gonna say since Trump been president, all these gap ups happen overnight. There's no movement in the daytime. It's all overnight moves. When liquidity is down, you could easily just boom, get it up there. All chartists, I follow a lot of people doing charts. They're all wrong. Nobody can call it. It's like nobody's out there calling this. Everything is wrong. You remember I did that video just this weekend? I was like, watch out for this candle. You know, generally that's right. What was it, the weekly candle? I mean, this candle right here. Was that the candle? No, it was this candle. Yeah, this candle right here. I said, watch out. It's dangerous. You know, and just look, it just totally ignored it. It had volume and everything. Look, there's no volume even on this increase. Well, the week ain't over. I can't say no volume. But look at that candle, man, so far. We still got 2 days to go. Right there. There she is. Don't look over there. You got to look right there.
Look,
yeah, you're trying to see you, but you got to look there.
Hi.
Oh, look how big my font is. Yeah, I guess I can't keep it on that screen. A lot. You said agile. Yeah. What did you say? Is this how 1990? Yeah, it's close. And then you notice how people just ignoring. Oh yeah, they find excuses to go high. Oh, this is high. No way. You know, I'm totally out. I'm out of stock. I lost money today. I lost money yesterday. One of my accounts is kind of in the green, but one of them is bad. It's just been, the last 2 days is bad. I learned that, here's something else I want to talk about. Anyway, I learned that I can't trade when the market's going higher. Like when it's ripping, I get blown out because, man, I think I was talking to you, Cashmatic, the top, like if you selling 15 deltas and stuff. I'm getting blown out, and it's hard. If I sell something for 75 cents and then, I get blown out overnight in one day, it's not even like overtime. It's like you don't even have time to think about it. It's like, boom, your position's down 400 or whatever. It's just like, you got it. What? It just blows right through the strikes like it's not even there. There's no pullback. There's no, what the pullback is? A slowdown. Like it goes up, it's like shoot, and then it goes up slow. That's the pullback. Going up slow is the new pullback. And it's just crazy. And I think actually, if take out the news, take out everything, I think it's going higher. I mean, why wouldn't it? We double topping right here. I mean, look at that hammer candle right at the top. Only thing we kind of missing is volume right now. Dang, I wanted to say something with the overnights. It's just, man, let me look at Tesla. I don't know. Yeah, that weekly candle. Yeah, I mean, and I think that's why we just ripping up. That last week was such, and it broke trend. Let me see. Is this the trend line right here? Can I draw that? Yeah, right there. So let me zoom in here, and then let me slide that over. And there it is, right? Look at that. We broke trend, big volume, big body candle. People got short here. This was the sell of all sells. We're going down to here at least, right? I got all these lines. Could I clear all that so y'all can see it? And yeah. So there it is right there. That's what we all saw. A lot of people got short. There was the trend line break. I mean, this trend line went all the way back till September. And, we kind of broke it. And look at that candle. That's perfect. And then what happens the next? Look at that. 3 days. 3 days. Boom. It's up. All of that's gone. We at new high. Oh, we at new high. Is that today? I don't know. It's insane. So I think a lot of people was off sides. We're back above the trend line. Yeah, I say we go higher. I mean, nothing is trading right. I mean, everything is just not, things are just not right. So it's very frustrating when it's, here, that's what I was going to say. The volatility. Can I pull up the VIX? I didn't even look at it today. It's only down 5%. So the market's up, the VIX is still 15, and the market's up 900 points with 15 volatility. It's only down 5%, and it's up 500 today. Generally, if I told you the VIX is up the VIX is 15%. The VIX is up. Let's put it this way: the VIX is at 15. You'll probably where are we in the market? There's no way you'll tell me we're at an all-time high. You're gonna be like, oh shoot, 15 VIX. We're probably down about 4% from the highs or something. You know what I mean? We had 20 VIX. Where are we? Oh, 20 VIX. Man, we probably about 6-7% from the highs. When the VIX goes up, this is a general rule. When the VIX is elevated, markets are down. VIX is elevated, markets are down. Fear, people sell. In this market, VIX gets elevated, stocks get elevated. See, it's totally opposite. And you can't even trade off the VIX. VIX elevated, generally markets go down. Now, generally, I know it's big volatility. You can go up or down, but generally they go down. As the VIX is coming down, they kind of go back up. Market's up 500 points today. VIX is only down 5%. Something is not right. Look at this spike right here. I got lines all over the place. Let me get rid of this. Look at this spike right here. And this spike, you know what this spike equals? This spike, I'm drawing all over the area. It equals all-time highs. That's not right. It's frustrating. And I think I'm telling you, man, I guess I got to stop talking about it. Something's not right, and eventually it's going to come to home. I think the government's just totally buying shit, futures. I don't know. Something's not right. Nothing's working the way it's supposed to work. Sectors are up. It's a bunch of bull. Anyway, you got Apple closing stores. You know, Apple's probably at an all-time high closing stores in China. Disney, I think. Let me see Disney real quick because they had their earnings. Yeah, Disney's saying it's gonna suck next. You know, they can't call it, and it's gonna suck. Uh, Starbucks with store closures. Anyway, it's gonna come back and affect us because the everything is manufactured over there, and if they ain't putting stuff together, they ain't working. Oil's down. Um, yeah, it's a mess. I don't know economics like that, but all right. What are y'all saying? Vix is saying rally is fake. Yeah, it's just fake. So that's another thing. Notice we've been Ving. I said this in some other videos. Everything is when we go down hard, it's right back up. It's ever since Trump's been president. Not saying he's got something to do with it, but that's the timeline. When things go down, it just V's. V. I never seen the V. Things be U's and L's and W's. V. And then the second part of the V is higher than the V started. It's been like that all the time. Something is not right. Like when it's down, it's just buying comes in and it's always overnight. It's never in the day when the market's open. Sometimes we had, like yesterday, I think we trended higher because everybody's outside. Our market opens 400 points and it doesn't go down to 300, it stays up. Of course, there's got to be, we gotta trend it up. So, all right. I think I was talking about Tesla and never told y'all whatever. I kind of got in. I sold the put spread. I bought a put spread somewhere right around this break right here. 770 to 750 or something like that. And it broke down and I was like, oh, why did I buy a put spread? I should have just bought the put. Because the put side, the long side was like up $1,700. And I have a feeling we're going here. I have a feeling by the end of the week right there. Anyway, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to share what I did. It's unbelievable that I make any money on one of the biggest days of the century, the biggest 3 days or whatever. I decided I'm not even gonna go short no more. I'm not gonna, generally when I go short, I sell puts. I might buy a small put spread. I was just getting blown out. I don't want to experience that again. I also experienced it last summer because when I'm trying to pick up pennies and they get steamrolled, it's big losses. And I was just going for little pennies. But yet it was big losses. I can't do that no more. And there's no time to stop loss or I'm out. Or if I lose twice the amount of credit, I'm out. There's no time for that because boom, it's up 500 points overnight. There's no time for that. So and that's what I just can't do that no more. That trade, when things are working right, it works for me, and it just doesn't work right. When the VIX gets elevated, you get more credit, right? The implied volatility's up, you get more credit for the trades. They seem juicy. They seem like, oh yeah, oh I'm 100, I'm 200 S&Ps out of the money with a week to go. That's easy money. Oh no. 2 days is gone. 100 points this, 100 points tomorrow. You're done. Anyway, but that's the way it's been, and oh man, it's very frustrating. So I'm just gonna stick with my bread and butter. Y'all know what it is. You know what it is, Cashmatic. This is what's been making me money. It's been Amazon. If it wasn't for this stock, I would have no money. So I'm selling. Like I'm going out 2 weeks, buying a deep in the money call, and then the current week I'm selling. I'm selling the near dated call. So let's look at that near dated right now. See, like right here, as that stock's at 2041, we got 2 days to go. That's what I wanted to show you. One more thing. We got 2 days to go. Look, you can get $16 for this 2040, and I think it's gonna stay elevated. It might not, but if it doesn't, if it goes down, you got that deep in the money call. That means, you're protected all the way up to 2021. And then when that goes bad, or when you get to the end of the week, I'll either let it settle, assignment, or just go to the next week and do it again, right? And then try to come get this juicy credit, somewhere around here. And that's how I've been doing it. Look at this on Amazon. I'm going to show you something. and then I'm gonna end this video. All right, it's 2040. The stock has been doing nothing, right? Sideways. Let me pull up an hour. I mean, it's up from that big earnings report, but it's been going sideways for the most part. It reached a new high today and then sold right off of that. Meaning the sellers up here, I don't think it's gonna go any higher than that, at least in the next couple of days. Who knows? But check out the options. Look at, you could go to, this is 2 days from now. Look at the 2100 options. That's 160 points away. $2.75. That's kind of high. It's kind of juicy. Right, juicy? Yeah, I call my girl Juicy. Can you guess why? Anyway, all right, let's get back to stocks. All right, 22, let's do, they kind of went down before all right, let's look, 2160. What is this? 2140, 200 points away, 2 days to go. Today's what? Thursday, Friday. Get up, $1.50, $1.45. That's high. Are they expecting this thing to just rocket tomorrow? But the 2100, $2.60? That's 160 points 2 days away. So I have a feeling this, might go high. Here, over here, I sold a put spread, and you can see the options I have sold here. And then on the next week, I got longs, so that's how I trade. See right there, deep in the money, kind of 87, they generally in the 90s. So, and that's what I do, man. That's the trades I put on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. So thanks for watching. Good luck to you. Maybe we can get some normalcy. Hey, Agley, thanks for watching, man. That's the first time I've seen your name. I appreciate you coming in, checking me out, and participating. YouTube Cashmatic, same as regular. Catch me on Twitter, Dre Trades. Instagram, Dre Trades. And right here on YouTube is This Is Dre. See, it's a little different on YouTube. This is Dre here. Because I might talk about anything. I might bring Juicy in. Right? So,
bye.
Yeah, you want to say bye?
Bye.
You got to look there, though.
Oh.
And
bye.
then you can look at the replay and see yourself over there.
Oh.
All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Dre Trades. I'm out.